What are you paying attention to? And what are you noticing? And how do you get to choose where to place your attention? Focus flows where your mind goes, or does it? I'm Karen Keris, NLP and Mind Skills trainer. Consider subscribing and following us for more NLP and Mind Skills to help you get fast results in your life. The Reticular Activating System, or RAS, is a bundle of neurons that starts close to the top of the spinal column and extends upwards around 2 inches. All of your senses, except smell, which goes direct to our brain's emotional centre, are wired directly to this bundle of neurons. It's about the size of your little finger. This little bit of brain matter is responsible for filtering out massive amounts of information your sensory organs are constantly throwing at it, and selecting the ones that are most important for your conscious mind to pay attention to. It makes sure that your brain doesn't have to deal with more information than it can handle. The Reticular Activating System plays a big role in the sensory information that you perceive daily. It decides for you what is relevant and what is not worth your attention. Have you ever bought a car that you perceived as uncommon and then suddenly noticed a few of the same make, model and colour on the road? Before Aaron bought his Jaguar Estate, I had never ever seen one. Now I notice them on the road on a weekly basis. Have you ever visualised getting a car park in a busy part of the city and then just like that, you got one? So how does the RAS decide what else is relevant? It's based on your survival, your beliefs and experiences, or the programs it runs. There are certain types of information that always seem to get through the gates of the RAS. For example, the sound of your name being called, or anything that threatens your safety or that of your loved ones, or an indication from your partner concerning sex. Our brains are wired to bring these things to the very top of our consciousness because they're considered highly important. The wonder of neuroplasticity, our brain's ability to change, is that we can change the selection criteria or RAS filter. We do this through setting intention, visualization and mental rehearsal, and the language patterns we use. The NLP well-formed outcome process, when applied well, is a great way to do this as it requires multi-sensory rehearsal. The RAS can also be changed through self-editing in the evenings. Because the well-formed outcome is an intention and outcome setting pattern, it also changes what you or your RAS is bringing to your conscious attention. Before I go into meetings or Aaron and I do workshops, we will set our intention not only for ourselves, but for the day, for our students, and for the outcomes we intend to create. Here is a very easy process for setting your intent around certain goals and your future. Think of the outcome that you would like to set your intent for. Set the intention for yourself in terms of the experience that you want to have in that situation. Or what will it be like when you've achieved your goals? What would you like to have had happen? And what would you like to feel? Mentally rehearse what you will be like in that ideal future situation. What are you hearing? What are you saying to yourself? And what are you seeing? And most of all, what are you feeling? Step into those pictures or constructed imagery and feel the feelings, hear the sounds as if it's happening now. If it's a goal you're focusing on, repeat at least once a day or more if possible. Subscribe and join us for more mind skills to create your future now and master your life.